Hey everyone, welcome to the Hodl Hodl News Podcast. Today is June 14th, 2019, and this is the weekly summary and recap of the Bitcoin and blockchain news for this week. Mobile Bitcoin wallet Samurai, which focuses on privacy, is partnering with French hardware retailer Hodl to create a Bitcoin node device. The reasoning is that critics argue the wallet's privacy features are insufficient because users' transaction data is stored on a centralized server. Thus, people who use the Samurai mobile wallet app must rely on Samurai's wallet servers. So now, through the partnership, which is expected to be available later this year, the new Lightning Node device would enable users of the privacy-focused app to not have to rely on Samurai's servers. In other Lightning news, Watchtowers is coming to Lightning Network. Watchtowers are a step for further securing the Lightning Network. They are crucial for stopping fraud on the Lightning Network. Lightning Labs plans to launch the most complete build of the network Watchtower to date. Watchtowers are said to outsource anti-fraud functionality so users don't have to perform monitoring themselves. Coinbase Visa debit card launches in Europe. The debit card service has expanded from UK only to 6 Euro countries: Spain, Germany, France, Italy, Ireland, and the Netherlands. Users can spend their Bitcoin both online and in physical stores that accept Visa. Notably, customers are not directly paying merchants with Bitcoin. Instead, Coinbase charges a fee to help convert users' Bitcoin into a fiat currency, such as Euro, in the new offering. The firm partnered with PaySafe, a UK payment processor, to issue the cards. South Korea's biggest bank plans launch of a Bitcoin custody service. KB Kookmin plans to launch digital asset custody. MPC technology will be used to secure the cryptocurrencies. KB Kookmin's bank's internal control infrastructure and information protection technologies will be utilized. The firms aim to collaborate on the development of digital asset protection technology and smart contract applications, as well as exploring new businesses in the digital asset space. A financial institution that already has a high degree of credibility could potentially help eliminate concerns over security of customers' funds and suspect exchange operators. In Lightning news, Hodl Hodl Exchange has now implemented Lightning trades. Hodl Hodl recently added support for the Lightning Network. Now every user at Hodl Hodl Exchange can trade Bitcoin using the Lightning Network. Their blog post on Medium explains how trading on the Lightning Network works at Hodl Hodl, and a screencast demonstrates how to complete a Lightning Network trade, which can both be found through hodlhodl.com, through Medium for the blog, and YouTube for the screencast. The world's second largest insurance broker offers institutions crypto insurance. Aon lined up a panel of insurers to provide cryptocurrency coverage for clients of Metico, a digital asset custody tech firm. The group of mostly Euro insurers will offer insurance products to institutions using Metico's Silo solution for the so-called hot and cold online and offline wallets. According to Aon, the policies cover losses on everything from natural disasters, destroying the private keys kept offline in cold storage, to third-party hacks of hot wallets connected to the internet. The Financial Action Task Force plans global crypto regulation. FATF is a body of representatives from various governments, including the US, China, India, and the EU, that was created to, quote, counter money laundering and terrorist financing. which may revise its stance on cryptocurrency. A representative of the FATF said any stakeholder within the cryptocurrency space, be it token issuers, exchanges, custodians, or hedge funds, will be subject to the changed rules. Exchanges like Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, as well as newbies such as Fidelity Digital Assets will have to submit about customers transacting over $1,000. Additionally, data about the recipient of funds and the date of the transaction will have to be sent to the, quote, service provider for each transaction. Bittrex John Ross said this may, quote, require a global parallel system to be sort of constructed among the 200 or so exchanges in the world. Crypto exchanges are fearing that compliance costs will skyrocket. Further, countries with strong foundational regulations will bear the brunt of the FATF effect, with customers leaving and exchanges being made futile as traders will trade with each other without an intermediary. The report added that crypto-friendly violator countries will be placed on a blacklist. Merrill Lynch has fired its employee for mining crypto at home without giving written notice. In December 2017, a Merrill Lynch employee began legally mining crypto. However, he did not provide written notice to his employer. As a registered general securities representative, he is contractually obligated to provide a written notice of any business activities. In March 2018, the employee was fired for failing to provide written notice of his business activity. Also, if he wishes to continue working in the finance field that operates under FINRA regulation, he must pay a $5,000 fine and take a 1-month suspension prior to working again. Bakkt begins testing its Bitcoin futures July 22nd with $100 million in insurance. Bakkt's chief operating officer Adam White said on July 22nd, 2 days after Apollo 11's 50th anniversary, Bakkt will initiate user acceptance testing for its Bitcoin futures listed and traded at ICE Futures US and cleared at ICE Clear US. The physically delivered futures product was originally set to go live at the end of 2018, but has been set back by regulatory hurdles. Bakkt is also looking to become a qualified custodian via a trust license with $100 million in insurance to remedy concerns around the storage of digital assets tied to its product. Bitcoin startup BitRefill raised $2 million in funding. BitRefill offers Bitcoin gift cards to mainstream brands and also offers Lightning-enabled payment services. BitRefill plans to expand to new jurisdictions thanks to the venture backing, which was led by Coin Ninja and included participation from Litecoin creator Charlie Lee. BitRefill CCO John Carvalho said his Stockholm-based firm's startup plans to expand its offerings across jurisdictions to provide worldwide coverage within the year. BitRefill services make it easier to, quote, make a living with cryptocurrency, and the startup's participation in the Lightning Network ecosystem, quote, opens up even more potential for Bitcoin and beyond. For example, BitRefill's Thor service allows people to give Lightning channels to someone else with no setup on the recipient's side. According to data from 1ml.com, Thor is the top service increasing Lightning Network capacity in terms of value, with almost $19,000 worth of Bitcoin, and the top service provider running nodes on the network. Lastly, Lithuania plans to require ID for all crypto transactions over 1,000 euros as part of the previously mentioned story about the EU's anti-money laundering regulations that are being obligated to be imposed. Lithuania's finance ministry will seek to completely formalize crypto-based exchange operations while a time frame remains uncertain for implementation. That's all the news for this week. All right, thanks. Bye.